I have done my base, and to start with my eye makeup, I am applying an eyeshadow primer. You can watch my other videos for how I do my base. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. So the first shade that I am using here is this pink shade. I am using a small brush starting from the outer corner. As I have hooded eyes, I am creating a fake crease. It has to be higher than the original one. As I have applied eyeshadow primer, I am taking the color little by little, otherwise it will make a patch. I am also taking the color on the lid from the corners, keeping the middle of the lid blank. Next I am using this shade to blend over the crease. This will blend any harsh lines by the previous shade. I am using a small blending brush. Brushes have to be according to your eye shape. Next I am applying this bright green shade in the middle of my lid with a flat brush. I am blending the harsh lines. To highlight my brow bone, I am using this light shade. If your hooded eyes are noticeable, you can skip this step. Next I am using this purple shade on my lower lash line with an angular brush. You don't have to take the color all the way to the inner corner. Next I am tightlining my eyes. I am not using any eyeliner today, so I am tightlining my eyes and also smudging the kohl on my waterline. For lipstick, I am using a lip liner first. This is by Inside Cosmetics. I am using a liquid lipstick by L18. You don't have to use high-end products to look good. You just have to know how to use the products that you have. I am curling my lashes next. I have applied lenses off camera. For my lashes, I apply the glue on the lash line first and then apply the lashes. This way, they never fail to stick. If you get problem while applying the lashes, do let me know in the comment box below. And that's it, that's the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.